Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can hide Instagram like posts from your friends. So all you have to do now is open the settings from your profile. You can tap on your profile and go to the settings and activity. You can scroll down and tap on your activity, and you can tap likes. Here the post that you've liked, so you can hide it. You can go back, so you can tap on live and share counts. Here you can turn on hide like and share counts. So on Instagram, the number of likes on posts and reels from other accounts will be hidden. You can hide the number of likes on your own posts and reels by going to the advanced settings before sharing. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the text button below. See you in the next video.